Thank you, sir. So we finally got our breakfast. We ordered today. Cook has not come yet. So this is what it is: dosa and idli vada. They have given only chutney to this, so I think that is how it is. There is some Andhra cuisine. So here I was trying to find out if she knew about the macaroons. Green will be green apple. Pistachio, yeah. Eh?
And there was yellow.
Yellow is mango.
Orange?
How was yellow?
I don't remember. Because there was orange which I had yesterday. It was more like a jellish flavor of orange.
Look what and all she is giving. I'm on a serious diet and now I have to eat dark chocolate. But it's okay. My wife is giving, I'll eat anything.
50% dark.
So we had ordered something from IKEA and that is here. Oh, it's quite big. Let's see what is this. Unbox this and see. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you. Drying rack, some bowl and hanger. So recently we got this washing machine, right? We fixed it. Everything was done. Yesterday I put clothes for wash. One mistake I did, forgot about that itself. So the whole night it was there, a little wet. So other than that, there is that pungent smell, right? So that is there. So that's why I put it to rewash again. And meanwhile we got the IKEA hanger. So that will be really good for us to dry today. So let's unbox that as well. Let my wife come because she's the one who has ordered that. You know what I saw? You see that bird? It's trying to get in, but unfortunately it can't because we have net. I don't want them to sit there as well because if it gets trapped in this net, right, it's anyways going to get hurt. Meanwhile, the noise from there, too much. Yes, this is the one we got from IKEA. This is the person who is going to unbox it. Let's do it. बीच में लगाना होगा. You have been careful.
Wrapped it so well.
That's a little tough there. Ta-da!
Yeah, what is it?
अंडे भी दिया क्या? IKEA delivers egg also.
Yeah, I think this is good for us.
हाँ, हम लोग अंडे रख सकते हैं.
Yeah. This is really good for like $5.99.
This is for $5.99. The
Yeah.
bill actually shows it's for $1,099 something.
Yeah, so this was on discount.
Oh, this is that one.
This is for $350, but I got it for like $199, $159 or something.
Yes, this is the cloth hanger which we have been waiting for. I think it's ready. Our washing machine is also done drying, so we can
Yes.
directly start the inauguration today itself.
Yeah, the way you have planned everything, I think it's perfect.
Always. I always have this habit to plan everything perfect, but everything gets up or everything gets messed up.
Yeah, see, I think. But how do you
Open it.
open it?
I think you have to pull it. Try pulling it.
I don't want to break it.
Button कुछ चाहिए. Do one thing. Pull the hanger up.
How do I do this? No.
This is something really, really tricky. Just imagine you're trying to open that and suddenly there's a diamond ring which is inside. It is like a gift I gave it to you, kind. Guys, jaldi se 100k kar do mera, because that is the thing. If I get 100k subscribers, then I'm going to gift her something. So it's all on you now, not me. You know what? I just figured out how to do this. So you just need to pull it. That's it.
But I was trying to pull it, was not coming.
That is because it was a little harder, right? So you thought that it might break.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is this way itself.
Yeah.
Yes. And this is. इसमें you can dry all your handkerchief, underwears, and all of these items. Yeah. And also, if you're bored, you can just play with this. Nice. Yeah, and also we got this bowl, multi-purpose bowl. I mean,
I saw this says 1048, but I got it for for something around 499 or something.
Inside there will be
And
so many bowls for so many cooking. Smells good. But ठीक है.
this is a good quality. You can refrigerate it, you can microwave it.
See, one thing about my wife, no, whenever she orders anything, she makes sure that it's of the best quality. That I've noticed. That is really good about her.
Which is the most important thing which my husband thought about. After a lot of searching, we found it on IKEA.
The main reason we took from IKEA is the price. We got it for $5.99, something like that, right? Yeah, so that is the reason I got it from here. Or else this though you can take it from any nearby shop
I
over
think
here.
V-Mart and all has it for around 2000 or something. This says 1048 again, but we got it for like 590.
See, it is sturdy, okay, but let's just put it out and see how does it look.
It's dark.
First, let me figure out how do I actually put my. This thing is actually okay. First, we need to cut this one. Okay. Okay. Now automatically this is coming out. So okay. Oh yeah. This is easy.
Yeah, we just have to.
Alright. See, I think for us, right, this is enough. Yeah, this might be good. There was a comment on my video. When are you going to introduce your gym partner? And you know who commented that? Saloni.
Huh? Seriously?
Yeah.
Which video was that?
You know how much we got that one for?
What?
That one? Just guess.
3,000?
599.
It's not the best belt, but for the purposes, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
nothing
Right.
to do.
Exactly.
Like we put like heavy clothes. अपना वो
Oh.
थोड़ा semi-wet वो जो भी.
Yeah, I mean
that
for
was-
like.
it was so sturdy.
Oh,
ये वहाँ पे डाल दे उसके ऊपर साइड से.
My roommate was just working and his laptop crashed. Just look at this sound. How happy is he?
I am not at all happy with this product.
Damn, this is gone, dude. This is gone. I've never seen this before. Shubhi to hai. You don't have to work. Now that we have done unboxing, we have to clean this, right? This is always my department here. I always clean this house. Rajma ka chawal chal raha.
And two hard-working people.
Why do you feel like we're doing that? हम लोग साथ में कर रहे थे ऐसा लगा तो शादी में एक रस्म होता है ना जो हाथ डबा का मुझे फंसते हैं.
So since we do not have cook today, right? She did not come today. So we are only making rajma and chawal. Chawal is yet to be made. Rajma we will... Oh, quite heavy. We'll just keep it for boiling now. इसमें sugar डालना है ना? Sorry, नमक डालना है ना?
Yeah. Rajma chai.
Just put some salt. Sorry guys, we are all new vloggers. This is my gym partner, which most of the ladies asked in the comment section.
One lady.
Just put the lid. How many CTs more?
2 or 3.
Okay. 2 to 3 CTs. Chawal ready ho raha guys.
This much is enough. It's too much. So with basmati, we should not rub it a lot because the long grains can break.
That's a good tip for all my 85 viewers. 1 glass of rice, 2 glasses of water. And this will keep it in the rice cooker. It's quite tough. One guy also custard. Whole spice, bay leaf, ghee. The most important thing is, tell me what is the most important thing?
Me?
Oh, of course. Second most important thing.
You.
Now we are good to go. So the time has finally that we test our product. This is something which I do always. So. Bloopers. Nice inside. तेरे को क्या लगता है? What do you feel about this?
Really good. Have to give it a little bit of time. What is the verdict?
Quite stable it is, and I think it's a good buy. Now I have other work to do. I have to clean the bathroom.
Yes.
I have to do a lot of other things. I'm going. I'll see you guys. Nah, I think that
स्मेल
is.
भी आ रहा है. Burn
Off
smell.
कर देना उसको.
पानी कम हो गया. पानी कम हो गया. नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
Why did it happen like that?
I think it wasn't sealed properly. The seal wasn't done properly.
Who sealed it?
You obviously.
On it.
You know what happened? I was supposed to press this button. I had not, and it's been like 10 minutes. Rice is just taking a jacuzzi bath. This is the pure saffron which he got from his place in Kashmir.
If anyone wants to go to Kashmir and wants some suggestion, please do comment below.
He will take you there. So until the rice cooks, let's cut some onions and tomatoes and chilies and all the vegetables. Quick chas with some ajwain, jeera, sauf, black pepper, what is that? Salt, Himalayan salt, all that. Let's see how this is. Let me just serve this to my wife first. Some black salt, some black pepper, pudina. Let me ask her how's the taste. Hey babe.
Oh. This is good, different.
बस यही सुनना था मेरे को.
Nice.
And this is for Poojan and for me. So today's lunch we have rajma chawal and some chas. Since the cook had not come, we had to cook our food, and this is a really delicious meal. That's fine. We are used to cooking, so just wanted to show you guys. So the time is about 11:30 p.m. now. After my lunch, I had gone out to purchase few items, and I had some personal work. So for that, I had gone out. It's really windy outside. You know the Bangalore weather tonight. It's very cold breeze. I was just enjoying that outside, and I realized I just need to say goodnight to you guys. So today's vlog, I'm ending it right here. Thank you so much for watching the video till here, and if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Just hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon as well. So I'm here to say you good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night.